Welcome to Start Your Journey, a gentle meditation designed especially for beginners. This practice will guide you into a state of deep relaxation and presence, making meditation accessible and enjoyable. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, where you can remain undisturbed for the next 15 minutes. Let this be your time to explore inner peace and stillness. As you settle into your chosen position, take a moment to appreciate the conscious choice you've made to prioritize your well-being today. Allow your eyes to softly close, feeling the weight of your body sink into the surface supporting you. Take a deep, nourishing breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you've been carrying. With each breath, feel yourself settling more deeply into this moment. Inhale peace and tranquility. Exhale any worries or concerns. Your breath is your anchor, always here to guide you back to the present moment. Notice how your breath naturally finds its own rhythm. No need to control or change it. Begin to notice the sensations in your body. Feel the gentle weight of your feet, the connection of your legs with the surface beneath you. Notice the position of your hips, the curve of your spine supporting you. Bring awareness to your shoulders, allowing them to soften and release. Let your arms rest comfortably, feeling any tension melt away from your hands and fingers. As you continue breathing naturally, imagine yourself transported to a peaceful valley in the majestic Alps. You're sitting on a rocky shore beside a vibrant mountain river. The smooth stones beneath you are warm from the day's sun, providing perfect support for your meditation. Feel how these sun-warmed rocks cradle your body, offering both comfort and stability. Take in the magnificent scene before you. The sky is painted with stunning hues of yellow and orange as the sun begins its descent behind the mountain peaks. These warm colors reflect off the fast-flowing river, creating a mesmerizing dance of light on the water's surface. Watch how the sunlight catches each ripple and wave, nature's own light show just for you. Notice the tall trees lining the riverbank, the emerald leaves swaying gently in the cool mountain breeze. Their movement creates a soft rustling sound that harmonizes perfectly with the river's steady flow. The trees stand as ancient guardians of this peaceful place, their branches reaching toward the colorful sky while their roots sink deep into the nourishing earth. This is your sanctuary, a space where you can fully relax and be present. Feel the crisp alpine air filling your lungs with each breath. It's pure and invigorating, carrying the fresh scent of pine and wild mountain flowers. The temperature is perfect, cool enough to feel refreshing, yet comfortable enough to remain at ease. Each breath connects you more deeply to this serene environment, helping you release any remaining tension. Listen to the powerful yet soothing sound of the river as it rushes past. Its constant motion reminds us that life is always flowing, always moving forward. Let this sound become another anchor for your awareness, helping to quiet the mind. The river's song speaks of ancient mysteries and timeless peace, inviting you to simply be present with its eternal flow. Take a moment to settle more deeply into this peaceful setting. Feel the stability of the earth beneath you, the gentle caress of the mountain air, and the profound sense of tranquility that surrounds you. Let yourself be held in nature's embrace, supported by the earth, refreshed by the air, and soothed by the water's constant movement. As you rest here, become aware of the complete sensory experience. The warmth of the setting sun on your skin, the cool brush of the alpine breeze, the smooth texture of the rocks beneath you, the fresh mountain air in your lungs, and the rhythmic sound of the flowing water. Allow all of these sensations to anchor you fully in this present moment. As you rest here by the flowing river, bring your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Notice how it naturally aligns with the river's flow, steady, continuous, life-giving. With each inhale, imagine drawing in the pure energy of this alpine valley. With each exhale, release anything that doesn't serve you, letting it flow downstream with the current. Feel the natural partnership between your breath and the river's movement. Watch how the fast-moving water navigates around rocks and obstacles, never forcing its way but finding the path of least resistance. Let this be a metaphor for your meditation practice. No need to fight against thoughts or sensations. Simply observe them as they arise and pass away. Like the river, your awareness can flow naturally around any obstacles it encounters. Focus on the intricate details of your surroundings. Notice how the sunlight catches the ripples in the water, creating countless sparkles that dance and shift. Observe the subtle gradients of color in the sunset sky, from deep orange near the horizon to soft yellows overhead. Each moment brings a new pattern of light and shadow, a reminder of the constant beauty in change. Feel the smooth river stones beneath your hands, some still warm from the day's sun, others cool to the touch. Their varied textures and shapes tell stories of countless years shaped by the river's flow. Some stones are rough, others polished smooth by time and water. Like these stones, we too are shaped by the experiences that flow through our lives. Look up at the tall trees that line the riverbank, their strong trunks rising from the earth, branches reaching toward the colorful sky. Like these trees, feel your own connection to the ground beneath you, drawing strength and stability from this connection. The trees demonstrate perfect balance, firmly rooted while freely moving with the breeze. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to the scene before you. Perhaps focus on the sound of the rushing water, the feeling of the cool mountain air on your skin, or the warm colors of the sunset reflecting off the river's surface. Remember that it's natural for thoughts to arise. Like the river's flow, they too are part of nature's movement. Take a moment to dip your hands into the clear mountain water. Feel its cool, refreshing touch against your skin. As the water flows through your fingers, imagine it washing away any remaining tension or stress, leaving you feeling renewed and purified. The river's water comes from pure mountain snow, carrying that pristine energy into this moment. Notice how the fast-flowing river creates small whirlpools and eddies near the shore. Like thoughts during meditation, they form, dance for a moment, and then dissolve back into the main flow. There's no need to follow them. Simply observe their natural cycle. Each pattern in the water is unique, yet all are part of the river's greater journey. Feel the gentle mountain breeze as it moves through the valley, carrying the fresh scent of pine and distant snow-capped peaks. Let this pure air fill your lungs, energizing your body and clearing your mind. The breeze, like your breath, connects you to the larger rhythms of nature, reminding you that you are part of this vast, beautiful landscape. As the sun continues its descent, watch how the colors in the sky deepen and intensify. The orange and yellow hues paint the clouds in magnificent patterns, their reflection dancing on the river's surface. Each moment brings a subtle shift in light, a gentle reminder of the impermanence and beauty of all things. Observe how the mountain peaks frame this peaceful valley, their ancient presence offering a sense of protection and perspective. These mountains have witnessed countless sunsets, yet each one is unique, just as each moment of meditation brings its own special quality of awareness. Take a few moments to simply be present in this peaceful scene. There's nothing to do, nowhere to go, just this moment of perfect tranquility by the alpine river. Let yourself be fully held in this space of natural meditation, where every sight, sound, and sensation supports your practice. Feel the profound silence that underlies the river's song and the rustling leaves. This silence is always present, like the space between your thoughts, offering a deep well of peace and renewal. Rest in this awareness, allowing yourself to be exactly as you are in this moment. Notice how your body has settled into a state of alert relaxation. Your muscles are soft, your mind clear, yet you remain fully present and aware. This is the natural state of meditation, effortless presence combined with deep rest. As we begin to draw this meditation to a close, bring awareness back to your physical body. Notice the surface supporting you, the rhythm of your breath, the feeling of calm that has settled over you. The peace you found here isn't limited to this practice. It's always available, waiting just beneath the surface of your everyday awareness. Remember that this peaceful place is always available to you. Whenever you need a moment of tranquility, you can return here in your mind, connecting with the steady flow of the river and the majesty of the alpine sunset. This meditation is a doorway to inner peace that you can access at any time. Begin to deepen your breath slightly, letting each inhale bring you back to your physical surroundings. Gently move your fingers and toes, reawakening your body with soft, mindful movements. Feel the energy flowing through your arms and legs, bringing renewed vitality to every cell. Take a moment to appreciate the journey you've taken. From the initial moments of settling in to this place of deep peace and presence. Each meditation practice builds upon the last, creating a foundation of inner stability and calm. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying with you the peace and clarity of this meditation. Let the memory of the flowing river, the sunset-painted sky, and the majestic mountains remind you of your own inner strength and tranquility. The practice you've done today is a beautiful beginning, a first step on your meditation journey. Each time you return to this practice, you'll find new depths of peace and awareness to explore. The river continues its eternal flow, just as your path of mindfulness continues to unfold. Know that you can return to this peaceful valley whenever you need a moment of calm and clarity. Thank you for sharing this journey. May the serenity you found here remain with you throughout your day, and may each breath remind you of the peace that always lives within.